Handrail are one of the most commonly used tools in a workshop, so knowing how to safely operate one is necessary when it comes to protecting and working on project. There are four steps to your handrail to help ensure you are operating your drill not only safely but also correctly. The first, you must do a drill bit that is compatible with the size and form of the bit holder. The second, put the two bits into the drill before putting the bit. You should loosen the chuck to clamp onto the drill bit and insert the shaft of drill bit into the jaw and retighten the chuck until the drill bit is after that, double check on all the setting as well as the electric equipment. Check the speed setting on the drill, the big wheel on the top, and make sure the drill head will shade in it because using a battery that is not shaded enough will lead to slow. And the last step is to drill hole. However, before turning on the handrail, you need to check the setup material before you begin drilling. Make sure the drill bit tip is in contact with the material and the drill bit is held at an angle. Pull the trigger and begin drill slowly.